this is how you can type the alpha Greek letter in Google Docs. Basically, there are three ways or three methods you can try. The first method is by using the Alt plus 224 on the numeric key. So I'm going to press the Alt key, press and hold, and then followed by 224, and it will read this tiny alpha character in Google Docs. But if you're using laptop, then you might want to combine it with FN. So Alt FN and then 224. And please remember that this is for the numeric key. If you're using a full size keyboard, then it is not the top row number, it is the number, the numeric key that is located on the right side of your keyboard. So that is the first method. The second method is by using the special characters in Google Docs. Just go to the insert menu and then go to special characters, and then you can just type alpha in the search query, search column, like that. And there are plenty of variations. I'm going to just use this one, and there you go. Now this is the one type of Greek alpha that you can use, but of course there are plenty others that you can insert to your document. So that is for the second method. The third method is we are going to be using the auto replace feature in Google Docs. So basically, when you type something, Google Docs will recognize that text and will turn that into this character, this Greek alpha. So to do that, just go to the tools menu, go to preferences, substitutions, and then here I'm going to use, let's say the keyword is going to be /alpha, and then it's going to be replaced with the Greek alphabet or the Greek alpha, Alt 224, and there you go. When you're done, you can just click OK. And when I type something like /alpha and then followed by a spacebar, that character or that keyword is becoming this character. You can always control that preferences, that substitutions right here. You can disable it, you can also delete it if you want. So that's basically how you can type the Greek alpha in your Google Docs document.